Hi everyone, today I'll be showing you how to remove the background from a video in Canva. Whether you are creating a video for social media, presentation or a blog post, you can remove background from any video very easily with one click.
Wow!
So for this, let's go to the Canva website. And this is the home page of the Canva, and here you can see the different icons of the Canva. For removing the background, let's choose this video icon, and from here you have to choose video format according to your video. I'll go for this one. And now I am going to select one of the Canva video to show you how we can remove background from the video. Just click on this video and it's bring you here. And if you have your own video, you can also remove background from it. Just upload the video from the uploads. Choose this option, upload file. Choose your video and upload it here. Now in order to remove the background, just click on your video, then you can see the option of edit video. By clicking over here, we can see the options of background remover and filters. This feature is only for the pro user. Those who have Canva Pro, Canva for Team, Canva for Non-Profit or Canva for Education accounts, they can able to access video background remover. Now let's click on this background remover, and within 1 second Canva remove background from the video in just one click. Now you can adjust this video to any video. I select this video to show you how. Let's set as a video as a background. Then you can adjust this video here like this. You can also put this video in a different frames, like go to the elements, then choose the frames from the option of frames. Like suppose I want to add this video into this frame, so just select this video and drag it over here like this, and when you double click on it, you have the option of adjust the video like this. As of now, I don't want to add into the frame, so let's undo all these things. Let's delete this. You can also flip your video from here. Choose this flip option, then you can flip horizontal, vertical like this. Let's set it here. Now let's see how it's look. So guys, by this way you can remove background from the any video. And for the download, you can go to the share button, then choose the download option, then choose the quality. And if you have pro account, you can download in 4K, or if you don't have, you can download it in a 180 pixel. I hope you like this video. If you found any valuable information in this video, so don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel.